How our generation is reclaiming food. In response to all this, a rebellion is growing. We're rediscovering that cooking for each other is cheaper and more fulfilling. We're growing our own herbs, shopping local, and sharing resources. This isn't your grandma's cooking. It's a conscious choice to reject the expensive, lonely, and addictive food system. It's about connection, sustainability, and building a life that's rich in experiences, not just expenses. The most powerful food trend is community. Tag a friend you need to have a potluck with. Let's make food fun again. This was a 5-part series. Watch them all on our channel for the full story.